And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can reset your password in your MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you have got an inbuilt feature in the Apple itself. So all you need to do is simply tap on the Apple icon on the top left hand side of the corner. There you can find an option called System Settings. So simply go over there, and once you're here, you can simply scroll down below and you can find an option called Users and Groups. So simply tap on that particular option, and there you can find your name as the admin. Simply tap on the I like symbol, and once you do so, you can find an option called Change right besides the password option. So simply tap on Change, and now it will allow you to type in your old password, and you can type a new password as well. So you need to enter a password that is a 4-character or more, or leave the password field blank. So after you have done this, you can simply verify yourself and tap on the Change Password option. This will allow you to reset your password in MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.